the chief can know who are the victims. And our approach is victim-centered. That should be known by the media.
According to Chief Charumbira, the Gukurahundi outreach program will start on the 26th of June, 2025. Some organizations, including political parties, have made their positions very clear. This includes the Freedom Alliance, which is led by Dr. Samgele Hadebe. Also, the MRP, led by Ondis Moyo, has released a statement through Mfanelo Sibanda to make their position known about this forthcoming outreach, program. I will first read the Freedom Alliance statement. I'm not going to read the whole of it, but I'm going to read just a part of it. Then thereafter, I will also play you the statement which was released by Mfanelo Sibanda. The Freedom Alliance statement reads as follows. As the community engagement process is rolled out to our rural communities, we wish to repeat our position as follows. Number one, that Gukurahundi is a genocide, and the government and chiefs should publicly acknowledge that unchangeable fact. Two, that top-down process detected on victim communities is pro-perpetrator and therefore biased against victims and unacceptable. Three, there is still an opportunity by government and the chiefs to do the right thing that is inclusive and a victim-friendly process done within a specific legal framework. Four, the government should create an enabling environment free from intimidation, threats, and any acts that are violent or remind people of Gukurahundi brutality. Five, an enabling environment should allow victims to openly speak out, mourn their dead, mark mass graves, and hold memorial services. As long as Ibhechu Likazulu erected plaques are vandalized and bombed, then the environment is not yet conducive for any serious resolution of Gukurahundi. Six, any genuine peace-building process should be transparent and allow free media access for full coverage so that as a nation we can say never again. Seven, addressing Gukurahundi should not be selective and exclude other affected areas like urban areas and the Midlands province. Okay, yeah, I will end here. As I said, I was not going to read the whole statement. MRP has released their statement. We are still waiting to see whether ZAPU will release any statement because we know they were the primary target, but they haven't said anything about this outreach program, which will be led by the chiefs. I know at the beginning, their president made a statement, but now that the program is about to start, I think ZAPU has to say something. People are waiting to hear what ZAPU will say about this outreach program. Thank you.
The chief can know who are the victims. And our approach is victim-centered. That should be known by the media. It's victim-centered. It's not public hearing.
This has to be very clear to Mr. Charumbira and the ZANU-PF government that the process is flawed. The process is wrong. The process is disrespectful. 40 years after the inception of the Gukurahundi genocide, people of Matabeleland are still being disrespected. This government is not prepared to resolve this genocide once and for all. This disdainful treatment of people of Matabeleland will not help the issues. How can Chief Charumbira say the chiefs will know who is the victim? If they knew, why don't they just write the report and go and give it to Charumbira and his master rather than bothering the people? Why? How can such an important process be private, be one-on-one? Why? No media allowed, no other stakeholders allowed, just the chiefs and the victim. How intimidating is that environment? Isn't it very clear that this is a witch hunt? The people who will attend those hearings will be wasting their time. Not just wasting their time, but putting their lives in danger. This is very clear. This is a witch hunt. People will come forward, but the aim of this program is to find out who was the victim. What is it that they know? What is it that they can still remember? And the government will prepare its response based on what the people will say. But in this case, the government will write whatever report. We know the Chihambakwe report was never released, but this one is going to be released because the chiefs and the government have the full control. Why should the government that perpetrated the genocide be the one which is in control? Why? If you say the process is victim-centered, it does not mean that a victim should come before the chiefs and say their story. No, it doesn't mean that. It means the victims should come up with a mechanism which favors them, which is safe for them, which will help to resolve this genocide once and for all. Now, this is just a waste of time. They can do whatever they want to do, but this is a waste of time.
One, because of the sensitivities and sometimes private nature of some of the narrations that may come out. Some of them cannot be shared in public. So these are not public hearings. And you know, even in any court system, sometimes certain proceedings are held in camera to protect the interests of the victim. So there's nothing new, but they're going to show these are not public hearings. So those who want to attend, no, let the victim invite maybe one or two, some members of the family during that hearing in camera with the victims only. This is very important. Even victims cannot be in one room. Each victim will have their own time. So the chief will, let's say, organize meetings, let's say from 10 to 12, one victim. Maybe from 2 to 4, another set of victims. This is starting. The hearings are starting on the 26th of June. So on the 26th of June, we expect each chief out there hearing from the the victims. So from Friday, steering committee discussed these issues mainly with respect to logistical arrangements. And yesterday, Saturday, we met all the chiefs from the two provinces, Mat North and Mat South. All they were given the opportunity to report on the outcomes of the awareness program, how things went in their areas. They did report any issues logistical that need to be.
Sanibonani Mthwakazi omuhle ninjani ezindawo la nikhona. Ngiyalibingelela. Igama ngumfanelo Sibanda, ilunga leMthwakazi Republic Party MRP. Bethwakazi sizama ukuthi sikhuthazane nini bantu bakithi ngodaba lweGugurawundi genocide ama hearings lawa ezayo. Ukuthi abantu bakithi bangayi lapho. Bangayi kulama hearings abizwa ngomnangagwa lezinduna ukuthi bayo testify ngodaba lweGugurawundi. Lizwile ama terms and conditions abuya lo mnangagwa engumbulali, abuya labo Charumbila abangababulali. Okokuqala upresident of iChief Council nguKhumalo, uMtshana Khumalo oyemathebelelendi. Kodwa uma ngabe kukhulunywa izinto zeGugurawundi soku-announcwa izinto ezi-announcwa nationally, uMtshana Khumalo akakhulumi, kukhuluma uCharumbila umuntu osetshenziswa istate ukuthi akhulume. Then thina singabantu bakoMthwakazi ukuthi akekho umuntu osirepresentayo. uMtshana Khumalo uyisiphamaso esikaCharumbila, uMtshana Khumalo uyisiphamaso samashona, uMtshana Khumalo uyisiphamaso sikamnangagwa. So bantu bakithi njengoba lizwile uCharumbila ukuchasisa ukuthi ama victims azobe testifya kulabantu abaphambo kwakhe angabaziyo labo bantu ukuthi bangobani. We are suspecting ukuthi those can be CIO. Liyakhumbula ukuthi kulodaba esisanda kusimangaza singabantu bakoMthwakazi kule social lezipra elali lomfanekiso owa-inspire abantu abaningi kakhulu kuzipra okuthiwa isotsha eliphethe umntwana. Isotsha lihlala isikhathi eside lingaziwa. Kuthe kuvela kwakhe ukuthi ungubani uzalwa kuphi, lowo muntu namhlanje asinaye emhlabeni. Ungalandela kakhulu even nama-documentary kaZenzele Ntebele lapho i-interview khona abantu ababezama ukukhuluma ngodaba lweGugurawundi. Most of them ababe-interviewa laphana basekho. We are suspecting ukuthi ZANU is following them one by one. And then wena uma ngabe usufuna ukufa noma ngabe usufuna ukuthi impilo yakhe iphele emhlabeni, hamba uyotestifya kuZANU-PF without ukuthi unikezwe i-support from abantu bakini, without ukuthi unikezwe i-support international community ukuthi whatever ozokukhuluma laphana umhlaba ubekwazi ukuthi usafe, because there is no guarantee yokuthi uzobe usafe into ozoyikhuluma ngaphakathi kwendlu wedwa. Njalo umnangagwa babebulala abantu phambi kwabantu, babebulala abantwana besikolo phambi kwama-teacher, babebulala ama-teacher phambi kwabantwana besikolo, babebulala abantwana phambi kwabazali babo, baberepa bomama phambi kwabantwana, berepa abantwana phambi kwabomama, begebhisa abantu imigodi engatshoniyo ukuthi abantu babagqibele, begqitshelwa ngayizihlobo zabo bephila bengafanga. Today sebebizelwe emakhoneni ukuthi abazotestify emakhoneni. That is not true. Indlela yokuzama ukuqeda bonke laba abalobufakazi beGugurawundi. That's why bethi it's a centered victim program. A centered victim program. Kusho ukuthi bonke laba babonayo umnangagwa ufuna ukubathanyela abaqede bonke. So dlulisani le audio each and every person. Now we have to fight fire with fire. There is no Gugurawundi hearings ezokwenzeka emathebeleni. Oseseligwala ofuna ukuvumela umnangagwa ezoqedelela abantu bakithi abasurvive eGugurawundi so that kusale kungena evidence. He must go and testify ekhoneni. Tina, this thing of corner emakhoneni, when this thing was happening, they were killing people directly phambi kwabantu njalo bebonisa isihluku ukuthi bayabulala. namhlanje sebengabuya belozwelo. The same government iZANU-PF that committed that genocide today yesibuya kini izonitshela ukuthi it's a centered victim program. What is that? That is a centered victim program nonsense. We cannot be blinded by ZANU-PF. Each and every time ZANU-PF plan izinto, we fall into a trap. Bantu bakithi vulana amehlo. Asitsheleni abantu abasemakhaya, asitsheleni abazali bethu. Namhlanje abantwana bakomthwakazi, abantwana basemathebeleleni bagcwele amazwe wonke omhlaba because of ama-after effects eGukurahunde genocide. iGukurahunde ayi-affectanga kuphela abantu ababonayo, but wonke umuntu wasemathebeleleni affected because of after effects eGukurahunde genocide. Shona domination eyenzakalayo emathebeleleni so far kuma borders akithi, you see all our borders are being dominated by Shona people. That is a Gukurahunde continuation. Being arrested by a Shona police, persecuted by a Shona persecutor, jailed by a Shona judge usemathebeleleni. That is a Gukurahunde continuation. The way that thing even ucharumbira memezeleyo, that is a Gukurahunde continuation because umchana usetshenziswe njengesiphamaso. Angazi noma sebamloya noma bamdlisa umuthi bamenza isiyelele ukuthi abuye azokhuluma phambi kwabo. Mthwakazi omuhle, there's no time to fear anymore. Let's say it as it is. Let's call a spade because what uMnangagwa is trying to do now uzama ukugqibela iGukurahunde. And then ama-hearings wakhe lawo okuthiwa ngama-hearings azoba ngama-public hearings. There are no public hearings anymore. So kuyinto yensitha, so kuyinto yasemakhoneni. Vuka Mthwakazi uzilwele. Ofuna ukuya khona kusho ukuthi ngofuna ukuqeda ngempilo yakhe. Ngoba uMnangagwa, it looks like he is following those who witness iGukurahunde abale evidence. That's why he came up with this strategy. So let's oppose whatever uMnangagwa akushoyo. Mthwakazi isikhathi sethu manje. This is a new generation to resist whatever uMnangagwa abuya lakho because uMnangagwa is the master a mind of iGukurahunde genocide. Uyi-perpetrator, and then the perpetrator cannot come and tell us ama-conditions, terms and condition how to deal with iGukurahunde genocide. Okokuqala Mthwakazi sibekwazi ukuthi izinduna zona nje zizodwa azinawo amandla okuthonisa icala lokubulala murder case kuma areas wabo. I-murder case ithoniswa amaphoyisa abuya zokubopha ibisiyathoniswa enkantolo. So icala leGukurahunde, it's a genocide, and the genocide is a crime against humanity. Bekufanele ukuthi kube icala elibhekwa i-international community, not ukuthi uMnangagwa abezibumbela izinto zakhe ezolifakela ebantwini efuna ukulandelela bonke laba abantu abalobufakazi ngeGukurahunde ukuthi abaqede. Ngicabanga ukuthi izolisiza le information engilinikeza yona Mthwakazi omuhle pass to everyone, and let's tell our parents to resist against this Mnangagwa's Gukurahunde operation eyesibili. This is a second Gukurahunde operation trying to finish those ababona iGukurahunde ngamehlo. That's why kubizwa bona ukuthi it's a centered victim program. Thank you Mthwakazi omuhle.